All right, everybody. We are back here with the futures trading the afternoon session. I will say, I'm gonna wait for everybody to join in. Let's get everybody just get on over here from the Mag 7 session. Let's trickle in here. How's everybody doing? Give me a wave or something that you're in here in the chat. Been a bit of a drag, I must say, in the indices, in the equity indices here with the futures. This past like 2 hours, it's just, again, this whole week has been the same story. A lot of range bound kind of trading, just grinding through a lot. Really, that's all there is to it. We're just grinding a lot. And I will be announcing the winner of yesterday's 25K futures challenge account giveaway. I'll be announcing the winner at some point in this session. So everybody stay tuned. I'll be doing that in the next 20 minutes or so here. But yeah, we're just going to keep an eye on these indices here, see if any kind of trade opportunity pops up. I'll be keeping an eye on gold and silver. Gold's at a little bit of an interesting area. Possible support here at 4239-ish or so. Value area low from yesterday was about 4237. And we've been consolidating right above that value area low for the last 3 hours. So we could be seeing a possible bounce here. Again, I'm just going to keep an eye on the order flow a little bit. And and we'll just see if there's any sort of trade to be had. Actually pulling it up now. See if the order book gives any tells. I see some liquidity down below on the bid, which I don't like. Down at 42.36, 42.35. So maybe we end up trying to break out of value to the downside. And then if that happens, then we can see if we can recapture that value area again to then maybe look to get long to rotate up towards point of control from yesterday of 42.50. So that's going to kind of be the setup that I'm going to look for here in gold. See if we can't sweep down, collect some volume right below that value area from yesterday to then pop back in to find some support and rotate upwards. That's the thought in the brain right now that I'm gonna look for on this product. But for silver, let's get a little bit of a look here. Look-see. 30-minute chart. Yeah, so silver, we're in a major area of possible support over the last few trading sessions. Anywhere between that $57 area and $57.50. We're kind of just hanging out right now in silver. So not a huge fan of trading in this area. I'm probably just going to let this one go at this point. I did have one small silver trade earlier this morning, and I think it ended up being a loser. So I'll just probably stay out of this one for now. Hey, Cherry. Good to see you. Good to see you as always. One second, everybody. All right, so just getting prepared to announce that winner here for the challenge account. We'll be given that shortly. Looks like, okay, Okay, I'm pulling gold back up because I'm seeing the... Okay, look at that. Breaking down here. Now let's see if we see an exhaust move of some sort and a pop back above 42.37. That's what I'm looking for. There's some more bid volume at 42.30 actually, all the way down here, right at that VWAP actually that I have. That white line is the VWAP, the continuous VWAP for the session. So maybe we can get to that volume and then pop back up here. Cool. Let's keep an eye on it. Whoops, didn't mean to move that. Oh wow, a lot of bid volume just popped up in this. Here, let me draw a little box for everybody so that it's easier to see here. But a ton of bid volume just got put on the ladder here between 42.30 and 42.27. Up. You know, it's funny. Literally, as soon as I said that, all of the bid volume that was between 42.29 and 42.27 got completely taken off. So it was like almost like some sort of algorithm put a bunch of volume there, and then they took it all off. So now we just have a decent block of volume, 60 lots at 42.30. So let's see if we sweep that volume and then are able to bounce back up above 42.37 at some point. So let's keep an eye. Remember, everybody, if you can, like and subscribe, would very much appreciate it. The new Ola Prime official